for someone who might say, I don't really know if I want X or Y, I don't want to pay for it, whatever it may be, I think that person probably ought to look at me. I wasn't the one paying for it, and it was already in the system, but I was one of those, well, I don't know, But I think when you don't know about something, you have to spend time investing in it to figure out what does it do and what are the benefits. Somebody in your company has decided it's a good idea or is thinking about it. So you owe it to that person and to the company to try to figure out, okay, how does it really work and what does it do? And I think when you let the video work and you come into situations where, wow, I'm really glad I got this so I can show it to a customer, I can go back to my tech and help educate him and make him better the next time. Once that happens once or twice, you've discovered your ROI and suddenly it changes. Older techs who are out there who have been on the ground for a long period of time give you a little more pushback, obviously, than younger techs. But what you do and what you speak about is, it just validates how good you really are as a tech. You're showing every day how well you get to the job, identify the problem, get it done. That's why we should pay you more money, because you're validating on video, even though it's not natural to you and it's different and whatever, but you're showing why you're one of the highest paid techs we have.